In the heart of the Renaissance, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a new era of scientific discovery began to unfold. In the year 1609, in a small town nestled between the rugged Apennine Mountains and the sparkling Adriatic Sea, a man named Galileo Galilei, a professor of mathematics at the University of Pisa, embarked on a journey to unveil the mysteries of the cosmos. Galileo, a visionary thinker, was a restless soul, always seeking answers to questions that challenged the established order. The heavens had long been the realm of theologians, and the stars, planets, and moons were thought to be unchanging and perfect. But Galileo, armed with an insatiable curiosity and a pioneering spirit, dared to question this belief. In the bustling city of Venice, Galileo heard rumors of a new invention that promised to bring the celestial bodies within reach: a telescope. Eager to explore this potential tool, he traveled to Holland, where the instrument had been invented by a Dutch spectacle maker named Hans Lippershey. Upon receiving the telescope, Galileo was awestruck by its potential. He hurried back to his workshop in Florence, where he began to make improvements to the device. With each adjustment, the heavens seemed to come closer, and Galileo's excitement grew. On a clear night in September, Galileo pointed his telescope towards the heavens. His eyes widened in disbelief as he beheld Jupiter, no longer a distant, perfect sphere, but a planet teeming with life. To his astonishment, he discovered 4 small, celestial bodies orbiting Jupiter, moons, he called them. This discovery challenged the belief that Earth was the only celestial body with satellites. In the following months, Galileo continued his observations, turning his telescope towards Saturn, the Moon, and the stars. He observed the phases of Venus, which supported the Copernican theory that the Earth and other planets revolved around the Sun. He also observed the mountains and craters on the Moon's surface, shattering the belief of a perfect, unchanging heavenly sphere. Galileo's telescopic revelations shook the foundations of the established order. His discoveries challenged the teachings of the Church, which held that the Earth was at the center of the universe. As his findings became known, Galileo faced opposition and condemnation from the Church, which saw his work as a threat to their authority. Despite the danger, Galileo continued to pursue the truth, championing the Copernican theory and the heliocentric model of the universe. His work laid the foundation for modern astronomy and our understanding of the cosmos. His telescopic observations of 1609 opened the door to a new era of scientific discovery, and his legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists and thinkers. Through his courage and determination, Galileo demonstrated that the pursuit of knowledge, even in the face of adversity, can lead to profound and transformative discoveries. His telescopic revelations of 1609 serve as a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of questioning, and the enduring spirit of human exploration.